UGV, Unmanned Ground Vehicle, a robotic land vehicle that operates without a human driver. UUV, Unmanned Utility Vehicle, a specific type of UGV focused on carrying cargo, supplies, or equipment rather than combat or surveillance. In other contexts, UUV refers to an unmanned underwater vehicle. The Mission Master Silent Partner is an autonomous UGV that can follow troops, letting them get closer to the enemy without being heard.
The need for us to invest in unmanned aerial systems is so that we don't get left behind. We need to make sure that we have this capability because no matter where the battle space is or where we're out to help with humanitarian assistance, if we have these things, they'll be an aid. If we don't have these things, they'll be our detriment. Today was a good opportunity for us to show the Marines and sailors what systems we're bringing in and online and allow them to use their own creativity and their own initiative to figure out how they would like to use it more effectively. So for each platform, we'll start with the UGVs. So for UUV that we're using today, that's the Mission Master Silent Partner. It is a drone trailer of sorts that has a battery operation to it. It has sensors for not running into people. It has a multitude of different operations and different things it can be used for. We're going to continue getting better. We're going to continue to field the Marines at the user level, the weapons and systems that they need to be able to do their jobs and do more effective and with enhanced lethality.